A major question or concern that I hear all the time is, Drew, I don't have an idea. I can't come up with an idea. What am I going to film? What am I going to record? What kind of value am I going to bring my audience? I'm out of ideas. There is thousands, thousands of ideas that you can record and share with your audience. There's educational, there's entertaining, there's network, there's connecting. I mean, those are just themes. Now you break it down. Let's just go off of educating for a quick second. You can talk about the 10 reasons why you should sell your house, the how to winterize your house, the myths behind home buying or home selling, the fears behind home selling, 5 things that you should do to prep your house for sale. I mean, I can go off for hours on the different types of content that you can film daily or weekly that you can share with your audience. Not only that, you can have an update video where you're updating on what's going on in your business or with the family that's buying or a negotiating process. You can be updating your audience on what exactly is going on in your field, in your industry, in your business, because people that are following you are interested in what it is that you're doing. So again, going back, you can educate, you can network, you can connect through your video content. I mean, you can get testimonials from your clients. You can share why you got into real estate, why you like real estate, what you find valuable about real estate, what you bring to the table to help your clients move forward in the home buying process. And even if the content that you're producing is not centered around real estate, but helping to connect you with your audience, your following, then if that helps get a sale at the end of the day, then it's a phenomenal day.